Did you know a single solar panel can power your camper van fridge for days off-grid? Welcome to the channel. Today we're revealing the top 5 solar panels for camper vans that truly deliver freedom and peace of mind. Links are in the description. Don't miss your perfect power companion. The number 5 product on our list is Callsun Solar Panel. Ever wondered how to power your camper van without worrying about blazing heat or cloudy skies? The Callsun 200-watt solar panel, featured in our top 5 solar panel for camper van charging, brings serious efficiency to your off-grid adventures. With 25% conversion from its advanced N-Type cells and a compact 16 BB design, this solar panel delivers more power from less space. Several visuals show its sleek aluminum frame mounting effortlessly on a van roof, with indicators confirming steady charge. Unlike traditional panels, it maintains output even in high temperatures, making it perfect for sun-drenched road trips. Compared to other picks, its longevity and IP68 waterproofing stand out. If you want reliable energy and peace of mind with every sunrise, this panel deserves a place on your rig. Ideal for serious van lifers seeking durability and top-tier performance. Number 4 is HQST Solar Panel. What if your camper van could recharge quietly while you admire the sunrise over a mountain lake? That's the freedom the HQST Solar Panel brings, and it's why it earns its spot in the top 5 solar panel for camper van charging. With its powerful 9-busbar layout and high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, this 100-watt panel delivers up to 500 W daily, even in partial sun, making it ideal for real van life conditions. Smooth transitions show the panel handling tough winds and rainy conditions. Its IP65 protection and sturdy frame proving it's built for the long haul. We tested this against others and found its low light performance and ease of mounting especially valuable. If you're building out your rig and want reliable power without stress, this one's a smart, safe, and future-proof investment that won't let you down. The third one on our list is ESO-worthy solar panel. Imagine waking up in your camper van, coffee brewing, with all your essentials fully charged, no generator noise, no stress. That's exactly what the solar-worthy solar panel delivers and why it confidently stands among the top 5 solar panel for camper van charging. With a daily output of up to 800 watt-hours under full sun, this setup isn't just power, it's peace of mind. The 100-watt monocrystalline panels are impressively efficient, and their rugged aluminum frame handles tough weather like a champ. I especially love the complete kit. It's truly plug and play, even for beginners. Compared to others, ECO-worthy makes solar independence more accessible without compromising performance. If you're tired of battery anxiety on long road trips, this is a smart, durable, and dependable choice that we genuinely recommend for real van life use. On number 2 is Renogy Flexible Solar Panel. What if I told you there's a solar panel so flexible it hugs the curves of your camper van roof like it was built for it? The Renogy Flexible Solar Panel is a game changer and easily earns its place in the top 5 solar panel for camper van charging list. This 100-watt panel bends up to 248 degrees and weighs 70% less than traditional rigid panels, making installation effortless and stealthy. It's ideal for vans with curved or limited roof space, delivering clean energy without drawing attention. Built to endure harsh wind and snow, it doesn't just look good, it performs. While it lacks a mounting frame, its ultra-thin, low-profile design is perfect for minimalists and boondockers. If your camper van dreams include freedom and silent, dependable power, this panel absolutely deserves your attention. Now, moving to the last one is Renogy N-Type Solar Panel. Did you know that the Renogy N-Type Solar Panel delivers up to 25% conversion efficiency, outshining typical PERC panels with 20 extra watts of clean power? That's why it comfortably earns its spot in the top 5 solar panel for camper van charging list. Built with advanced 16B BN-type cells, it not only boosts performance, but also resists hot spots and cracking, giving you confidence on every road trip. If you've struggled with panels overheating in the summer, this one's a relief. Its low temperature coefficient means it keeps generating strong power, even in scorching heat. Plus, its rugged IP65 rated design and low degradation make it a future-proof choice. While it may cost a bit more, for vanlifers chasing the sun, this is a smart, peace-of-mind investment that delivers real-world reliability. For ultimate performance and durability, the Renogy N-Type Solar Panel is the clear winner among all, perfect for every camper van adventure. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel for camper van. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.